Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 best AI tools that will help you to create killer thumbnails for your YouTube videos, which will end up improving your click-through rate. So let's get started. The links are in the description for you to follow along with this tutorial. The first one on our list is Pikzels AI. Let's check it out. You can go here on pikzels.com and you can try for free. I'm going to click on login. You can create these type of thumbnails. Let's go over here and on it, you can type a prompt, a simple prompt like an F1 crash scene with an F1 car on the left side and right side a person. And what you could do is you can enhance the prompt, which is going to give you a better formatted text like this. Then what you have to do is just click on generate. It's going to take in 10 credits from your total balance and going to generate a thumbnail for you. This is the thumbnail that it has generated. Now you can download it by clicking on this button, or you can redo it. So it's going to redo this thumbnail. If you do not like it, you can just click on redo to redo it, but it's going to take in another 10 credits. There's an edit feature as well. If you want to make changes inside, you just need to click either the rectangle selection or the brush selection, draw over the object that you do not want, or you want to add something in it. For example, I can just draw over this person, and then on the bottom, I can say, remove this person from the image. Then click on generate and it's going to remove it. The second prompt I tried with it is Sonic the Hedgehog running towards the camera through golden ring, and this is what it created. Looks amazing, right? Now the third prompt that I tried out with this is close-up of a person swimming underwater, face and hair clearly visible. You can see here the prompt, and this is the image, a thumbnail that it created. Doesn't that look creepy? It captured that vibe perfectly. You can use this directly in your YouTube thumbnail, which explains a topic. Maybe it's an explainer video on McDonald's. It would perfectly fit in it. There's also a face swap feature, so you can face swap your face on this thumbnail. You need to create a persona for it. You just click here and create your persona. You need to name your persona and then add 10 different images of yourself. It could be in different angles. You should definitely take it with an high quality camera or the camera from your iPhone. Both of those are completely acceptable, and then you should upload it here. It takes like 200 credits to create a persona. For example, over here, I've created this thumbnail with this prompt. Then what I did was use the edit feature, asked it to add rusted silver chains. So for that, you need to press on the brush selection and draw like this. Once done, you just need to type that prompt over here on the bottom. So add silver rusted chains wrapped around his body. Then you need to click on generate in order to generate it. I'm just going to click on close. This is the output with this prompt. Looks really good. Now what I thought about is adding a McDonald's cap on him. Just click here again and then draw like this over here. And just say add a McDonald's cap, and don't forget to click on generate. This is the output. Looks amazing, isn't it? You could also do a face swap, so just click here. It's going to take in 3 credits. Use your persona that you have made and then click on generate. This was the output. Looks great. The second one on our list is VidIQ AI Thumbnail Maker. Let's check it out. They have launched their AI Thumbnail Maker recently. So on the left hand side, you're going to find create and then click on thumbnails in this drop down. Now what you need to do is on the bottom, you can describe your thumbnail idea. So I'm just going to use that same F1 crash prompt over here, type in it, and then click on create. And these are the results. Actually, it looks completely acceptable, but not that good compared to Pikzels. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. The thing about this vidIQ is that if I try to edit something inside, for example, if I go inside it and I try to edit, like refine it, I cannot select a particular part of the thumbnail to edit. In that case, if I type anything here, it's going to make change to the entire thumbnail. Even though I say add smoke to the crash, it's going to add the smoke to the crash, but then it's just going to mess up this title over here. I would really want this fixed. For this, they just need to give us a brush tool, which we are going to just select the part where we want to add something. And if we add smoke to the crash like that, then it's going to be just added to that selected part. So yeah, when you click here on this prompt bar, you're going to get these suggestions and then you can make change to it. This was the second prompt, the Sonic one. Looks not that great. It looks really bad compared to Pikzels. And this was the third prompt. You can see that the hands are floating. It's not able to capture that creepiness in the thumbnail, but this one still looks fine. These were another 3 of the generated thumbnails for F1 Crash. Let's say I want to edit this text and I want to remove it. I can just click on this eraser, draw over the part which I want to erase, and then click on erase button. And then it's going to erase it like this. It's perfect. If you want to undo it, just click here to undo this change. And these are all the editing features inside it. So you can add arrows with sticker, add an image, text, or refine. I've made another tutorial on Pikzels and VidIQ, so check it out at the end on the right hand side. A full tutorial on all 3 of these tools that I'm going to be showing you in this video. There's also this recreate thing. So you can go for a reference, find the video on YouTube that you like the thumbnail of and you want to recreate that, and then you can just search for it. So I've used the Mr. Beast one. You can see here, this is the Mr. Beast thumbnail. Click on it, click on continue in order to use it. And you can see that it's in the reference field. And faces and objects, I've uploaded my headshot, this profile picture, and it's going to automatically remove the background from your uploaded image. Now just describe your idea. So here you need to type in recreate this thumbnail, and then it's going to create something like this. The best part about VidIQ is that you can just go inside it, select that face part and move it around, then click on make changes. And what it's going to do is, instead of this, because it's going to generate like this first. So if you move it back and resize it like this, it's going to completely regenerate this image with all the elements moved around like this. And this looks much better. But the thing I do not like is that it's not going to take this face and change it a bit. It's not going to do that. It's just going to put the face as is. And then you can add text, move it around, add a sticker, add an arrow like this, flip it vertical this way. And it looks quite good. This is a really neat feature of VidIQ that I've not found in the other 2 tools. And of course, if you want to download any of these thumbnails, just click here to download the thumbnail to your computer. The third one on our list is ChatGPT Sora AI, image generator. Let's check it out. Now let's go over to Sora AI, which is ChatGPT. This is sora.chatgpt.com, and take a look at it. Over here, I've put in this prompt, this first prompt in this prompt bar. And then you need to select your aspect ratio to 3:2. The main thing that I do not like about ChatGPT Sora AI image generator is that you cannot choose the 16:9 format. You only get these aspect ratios. So yeah, make sure to select the 3:2 and then use the same prompt, the first prompt that we added, the F1 Crash one, and then simply click over here on the bottom right to generate it. And you can see these are the generations that it created. And what I think is that if they fix this aspect ratio problem, they allow us to generate a 16:9 thumbnail. ChatGPT can even beat Pikzels AI, in my opinion. Because look at this generation and let's compare it to Pikzels AI. What do you think? Don't you think that ChatGPT does a great job? In my opinion, it does. But because I don't have that 16:9 feature, I do not really like to use it. Next up, you've got this Sonic thumbnail. And again, the thumbnail is pretty good. This is really nice. If you compare it to Pikzels, this is what it generated in Pikzels. It looks really, really good in Pikzels. But again, Sora is also nice. And this was the last one, the McDonald's one. I found it more creepier than Pikzels. In these, you can see the hand is pointing towards us, even though I said to point it towards McDonald's. Anyway, if we overlook that part, you can see that it looks more creepier. Like this one is the best one out of all 4 of them. It looks like someone is pointing to McDonald's and this guy is over here that is looking at us, which looks completely fine. And you can see this Ronald McDonald looks a lot creepier If you compare it to Pikzels, Pikzels is also creepier as well, but in Sora AI, this captures the mood nicely. But I would say that Pikzels still win here. It has this person pointing nicely towards McDonald's and also looks scared looking at the camera. But in Sora AI, the person is just looking like, what's going on? Anyway, next up, what you could do in ChatGPT is you can edit your thumbnails and recreate your thumbnails just like in Pikzels. So what you need to do is click on this plus icon and upload from device. I have used a Mr. Beast thumbnail, and to get it, you just need to go over to that YouTube video, find that video with the thumbnail that you want to download. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find this VidIQ extension. If you don't have it, just go over to Chrome Web Store on your Google Chrome and download this to your Chrome browser. Then you need to log into VidIQ, just refresh this YouTube page. And on the right hand side, you're going to find this VidIQ extension. Just click on this and download the thumbnail from here. The best part about VidIQ extension is that you get these other thumbnails as well that they have uploaded for A/B testing, but they're no longer using it. So you can just use this first one and download it to your computer. For this, I used this video, and over on the right hand side, you're going to find these different thumbnails that they have uploaded. I used this one, download it to my computer, go over to Sora AI and upload from here. Once you have done that, then you need to describe your image. Just type in recreate this image. Then click on this generate button, and these are the generations that it's going to do. Out of all of them, I like this one a lot. So I'm going to click here. Next up, you can edit your thumbnail. So you can click here on remix, draw over the part where you want to add, remove something. For example, I'm going to click and paint here, and then on the bottom bar, I'm going to say add an airplane. Then simply click on remix, and it's going to add an airplane to the generated thumbnails. And out of all of them, I really like this fourth one. So I'm going to click here, then click on remix. Again, just draw over the parts where you want to add something. And this time I'm going to say add something like this, add rusted silver metal chains, and then click on remix. And these are the generations it has created. And you can take a look at them. I don't really like the first one as there is some glitch over here. The second one is really good, this fourth as well, and this third one as well. They all look good. This first one is the only thumbnail that it generated that I do not really like because of that glitch. The last feature that I'm going to show you is the face swap, like we did in Pikzels. I think Pikzels does a really great job in face swap. So I just recreated that thumbnail that I showed you, this one. And what I'm going to do is download it to my computer, then go over to Sora and click on this plus icon, upload from device. Then simply just say recreate this image and click on generate. And these are the generations that it's going to create. Also, the recreation capability is a bit off compared to Pikzels. I'm going to show you the results on Pikzels as well. So here I'm going to use this one and remix, then just draw over the face and neck part. Then simply click on this plus icon and upload your face image, your headshot. Just upload it here and then say face swap and then click on remix. This is what it has generated out of this image. It does look a bit weird. It makes the face look really big compared to this image over here. Compared to ChatGPT, let's take a look at Pikzels. You can see that I've added dinosaur here and it recreated the thumbnail nicely. And you can see that it added the face swap perfectly as well. I think on Sora, you just give it one image, so it just makes based on that. On Pikzels, you need to upload at least 10 images of yourself, and that's why it does a great job on face swap. These were the 3 AI thumbnail generators that I've shown you in this video. Out of these, I would suggest going for Pikzels AI. It's the best tool for thumbnail generation, editing, recreating, or even doing a face swap on it. Still not convinced? Check out this video on the right hand side for a direct comparison between these 3 AI tools. See you there.